साथ मिस्टर अभी त्यागराजन है जो कि जॉइंट एमडी है ब्लू स्टार के। एक बार उनसे हम समझ लेते हैं कि क्या करना चाहिए। सर शुक्रिया बलतूजी बिजनेस को समय देने के लिए। पूरे कंज्यूमर ड्यूरेबल सेगमेंट में Q3 में जो गिरावट आई थी वो रिकवर हो चुकी है क्या? एक तो ये आपसे मैं जानना चाहता हूँ, और ये फॉरवर्ड लुकिंग कैसे आप देखते हैं मार्केट को, ये कितना अच्छा बिजनेस आपको देगा?
Right from the beginning, demonetization was not an issue for room air conditioners segment at all. If at all, it is for the commercial segment, large construction, real estate driven business, there was a problem. Except for 1 week after demonetization, we have seen the market adjusting to the new way of doing business, and it had grown during the quarter ending December. The market grew over 20%. The whole financial year the market will be growing by 20%. Our own growth is 35%. Going forward for the next financial year, there are multiple variables every year we start with. Number one is how harsh is going to be summer. Now the indications are the summer is indeed going to be good. Good in the sense harsh summer. The daytime temperatures have gone up, night temperatures are going up, so we see a great summer. Second is that we are worried about monsoon as well, because great monsoon is important for air conditioners business, because 50% of the business come from tier 3, 4, 5 markets, and as of now we don't have any clue about how good the monsoon is going to be. We pray that the monsoon is also reasonably good. Third is GST. By 30th June, assuming that GST is going to be implemented by 1st of July, we would like to operate with zero inventory. Under the circumstances, we are looking forward to a good summer. Post GST, the prices are likely to go up because it is falling unfortunately under a 28% slab.
मिस्टर त्यागराजन, अभी आपने जीएसटी की बात बोली ना, मेरा सेकंड क्वेश्चन इसी से जुड़ा हुआ है एक्चुअली। जीएसटी से आपको कारोबार में कितना फायदा होने वाला है? क्योंकि अभी की जो टैक्स रेट है वो ये बता रही है कि 26% टैक्स कैलकुलेशन होता है। ये थोड़ा महंगा हो जाएगा क्या आगे?
I think it will go up by 2.5%. So, the GST eventually will benefit by logistics, supply chain adjustment, production efficiency, all those things. I do not see that happening in the next 2 years of a time. For the country to adapt a new system, first of all, to begin with, you end up paying higher price. 2, there will be a disruption of 3 months. Like if demonetization created some hiccup for certain other business, fortunately air conditioner business didn't suffer there. In this particular case, if 1st July is the thing, July, August, the market will be struggling to cope with the new system. There will be many hiccups there. I don't see a smooth, no such major reform can be smooth. Fortunately, it is happening in a monsoon season. So it is post season. So therefore we are not so much worried about it. But 3 months we need to perfect the new way of doing business.
ठीक है, 3 महीने में आपको बिजनेस बदलना हो सकता है। जीएसटी क्योंकि लागू हो रहा है, अच्छी चीज है कि आपके सीजन में ही आ रहा है, जैसे आप बता भी रहे थे, तो शायद इमीडिएटली इफेक्ट आपको कैलकुलेट नहीं होगा। मिस्टर त्यागराजन, शुक्रिया आपका समय देने के लिए।